The United States of America in the 21st century. For construction companies, this is an era of innovation, information, and ingenuity. Green technologies push the boundaries of energy efficiency, and modern construction techniques create faster, more economic ways of solving today's infrastructure problems. But in most developing countries, traditional construction methods and materials haven't changed in generations and typically yield inconsistent quality, long delays, excessive waste, and high life cycle costs. As a result, hundreds of millions of people all over the world live with inadequate and inefficient housing and public infrastructure. That's why Gateway Development International was created. At GDI, our mission is to deliver better, faster, greener, and more cost-effective technologies to emerging markets and the developing world. GDI technology solutions focus on construction, renewable energy, and water management. Our goals are to improve people's standard of living through better physical and social infrastructure, to establish local enterprises, to train and upskill workers, and to create jobs. Founded and headquartered in the United States near Washington, D.C., GDI is an international clean technology provider and integrator led by experienced technology, design, and international development professionals. Our decades of in-country global experience give us the knowledge, networks, and understanding required to deliver results. In recent years, North America and Europe have witnessed exponential growth of insulated concrete forms, or ICFs, as a preferred green technology throughout the construction industry. Today, ICFs account for nearly 30% of new construction in the United States, up from just 2% 6 years ago. But not all insulated concrete forms are created equal. For example, some ICFs can be difficult and costly to transport over long distances and require experienced contractors to ensure proper assembly. Two main challenges for most ICFs are keeping the walls straight before pouring and attaching internal and external cladding or finishing. GDI's premier ICF technology, ThermoBlock, does not have these problems and enjoys many additional competitive advantages as well. ThermoBlock is an innovative cast-in-place insulated concrete form that is inexpensive to deploy, easy to use, fast to construct, and features state-of-the-art strength and energy efficiency unrivaled in the construction industry worldwide. The ThermoBlock system utilizes steel-reinforced post and beam concrete construction. Resembling large-scale Lego-type blocks, the system uses a combination of interlocking, lightweight, stackable polyurethane blocks, which can be fabricated on-site and in remote locations, together with concrete, steel-reinforcing rebar, and a patented light-gauge steel internal bracing system. Because the system utilizes high-density closed-cell polyurethane foam, it offers superior insulation value, is Class 1 fire-rated, the best rating possible, satisfies all seismic and hurricane code requirements, is not a food source and thus is fully resistant to insects and other animals, eliminates mold and mildew, and is exceptionally quiet. The ThermoBlock construction system creates a strong, stable concrete structure. It all begins with the ThermoBlock form. ThermoBlock can work with a variety of footings or foundations. Rebar is stubbed in at 16-inch or 40-centimeter centers. The ThermoBlock forms easily glide down the rebar and lock into place without mortar. To add stability and a nailing surface, metal studs are added on 16-inch or 40-centimeter centers. Wiring and piping are easily integrated into the ThermoBlock system using the existing ThermoBlock channels. Rebar is also added horizontally throughout the structure, forming a steel-reinforced concrete grid to further enhance its overall structural integrity. The concrete is then poured into the ThermoBlock from the top, creating an incredibly strong, insulated, energy-efficient structure. The ThermoBlock ICF stays in place, helping to insulate this steel-reinforced concrete structure. What's more, the system is easily transportable. A ThermoBlock mobile manufacturing facility fits inside a single 40-foot shipping container, making it easy to bring in-country and on-site. This is ideal for remote locations and emergency situations, ensuring a steady supply chain, maximizing the use of local labor, and eliminating costly and sometimes dangerous disruptions and delays. In all, Thermoblock provides a superior quality and secure living environment that can be deployed under budgets that make other technologies unattractive. Cost-effective, strong and energy efficient, fast, in-country manufacturing with a minimal learning curve, and easily transported to any location. It's all part of what makes Thermoblock the best way to rapidly and cost-effectively provide superior quality vertical infrastructure, improve living quality standards for users of homes and public infrastructure, build local capacity, and create permanent jobs in any location worldwide. For more information about GDI and our portfolio of technologies, please contact us via telephone, email, or through our website.